What's going on, SC430 community? My name is Henry. Got another video today on Mac's 2002 Lexus SC430. So I had another video mentioning how I'm putting multiple mods in this customer's car. So one of those being puddle lights. So this is a very simple mod to do, and super quick, and it makes the huge difference. So basically, these are for the door. So when you open up the door, at the very bottom, there's a little light. It's an orange light. It's not very bright. It's kind of just there to make sure you don't step in a puddle. It does have other names for it as well, but this one will basically, instead of having that orange light, it will illuminate the Lexus name and logo on the ground instead. And obviously it's LED, so it'll be a little bit brighter. So, and it's super cool. It makes it look like you're driving a super fancy car. So, you're not going to really need any tools for it. But the only thing I could think of that you would need to make it a little bit easier on your fingers is a prying tool. So, other than that, let's get to it. It's going to be super quick. We're going to start with the driver's side. Alright, we're going to open this up. See this orange light? It's supposed to illuminate down here, but I got nothing going on down there. So this does come out. So let's see if I can put the camera down so you can see in full what's going on down here. So basically we want to pry this out. So we want to be careful, obviously, not to damage the leather too much. But I believe from doing this before, you pry from the side of that's facing away from the car. It should just kind of slowly pop out like that. Looks like I popped just the cover instead of the whole thing, but that's okay. It shouldn't make too much of a difference there. If anything, it should make it a little bit easier to get behind it. But see how it popped out? Pretty nice. Comes out. So you can go pop it out on either side, because you can see from the back there is two fastening points. So I'm going to put the cover back on, and then you want to unplug this because you don't need that no more. I recommend keeping it or selling it. Do not throw it away. It has value to somebody. So now we want to grab one of these guys. Make sure we grab the right side, I believe. This is the passenger side, and this is the driver's side. Or at least, I guess it doesn't really matter. Oh yeah, it's adjustable. Perfect. I don't remember it being adjustable. Maybe it's changed over the years, because I have the older versions, if there is an older one. So, plug this guy in. Should start illuminating. Damn mosquitoes, sorry. So, let's see if I can show it on camera. Look at that. Way better than the orange light. Couldn't even see the orange light on camera. This one you can at least see it during the day, and it's not even nighttime yet. So, we're going to put this back in. So, putting this back in, same way. There is a plastic end on one side, so make sure that's the last side you go in with, and it'll pop in pretty nice and smoothly. Oh, here. It's that cheap Chinese shit. There you go. You gotta really push it in there to make sure it gets in place, and then you can readjust. It looks like the camera, or the light, I mean, to see where it's at. So I'm gonna do it straight down like that. So there you go. That's done. Driver's side. So if you're looking at it, I always have the door open a little bit so you can't really see it, but look at that. Super nice. Okay, now we're gonna do the other side. Okay, so same thing on this side. It doesn't matter where you pry, but I'm gonna pry on the side away from the car. Comes right out. Unplug it. the new one in. Then pop it back in place. Like that. Have to use a little bit of force to make sure it stays popped in nice and flush and it doesn't stick out, because I notice a lot of customers that have this, they notice it like popping out and they push it in, doesn't go in all the way. You gotta really give it some oomph. But here you go, this is what it looks like. Super, super cool. So you can imagine that at night it's even brighter, because currently it's still daytime. So let me see. Let's turn the lights off. See if it's bright. Look at that. Looks pretty damn solid, doesn't it? Oh. So when you're driving, it's not on. Right? It only turns on when you open the door. Look at that. Super cool. Simple mod to do. Super quick. Doesn't take a lot of effort. But there you guys have it. That's how you install the Puddle lights. Super quick and easy, like I said. So yeah, that'll be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you guys next time.